Hello everyone, welcome to Sneaker Fanatic Television, and today we're discussing Funko Pops. So today is the very first unboxing video that I'm going to do. It's the very first pop video. It's going to be the very first video that I post to the channel. So this video is a lot of firsts, a lot of unboxings, a lot of pop videos. So welcome to the channel, and I hope you like this review. This is going to be the very first pop that I've ever opened. It's not even just for the channel, it's just I don't open my pops, I leave them all in boxes. So opening this is going to be a first for me, or just opening a pop period. Got this at GameStop about a month ago, and let's see what we got. I'm a huge Harry Potter fan. Been one since the books, not the movies. I've always said the books are better than the movies. That's just my opinion from a lot of books I've read just in my life. The books have always been better than the movies. So I'm a huge fan of Harry Potter, and this pop is going to be a nice addition to the collection. You can't see my head in this video, but this video isn't about me, it's about the pop. So I can't wait to do more videos, because I have a bunch of pops that I've collected throughout the years, and now that I'm making YouTube videos, I'm going to be doing reviews on pops. So I don't like these because I like them, but I just wish the boxes were in more traditional pop boxes where you can see the pop from outside the box without having to open it up. I also have the Batman 18-inch, and it's the same thing. You have to pretty much open the whole pop you have to open the whole box to get to the pop. We have a whole bunch of wrapping. Wow, this is a lot of wrapping. Yeah, this is cool and everything, but I just wish, because I'm a in-the-box type of collector, I just wish they would have kept it or made the boxes more traditional pop style boxes. So this is a very nice pop. I like it. I like pretty much all the pops I buy, of course, that's why I buy them. But here is 18-inch Harry Potter. Holding Hedwig. Hogwarts outfit. Oh, the head turns? Okay, that's kind of cool. Actually, I think most of them turn anyway. I think they're like bobbleheads. But like I said, I don't open pops, so I wouldn't know. I think this is probably my first time touching the actual pop. I don't take them out the box. But yeah, I think they're bobbleheads. All of them I read are bobbleheads except Marvel for some reason. The Marvel pops are not bobbleheads, but the rest are. That's from something I read. But this is the video short and sweet. 18-inch Harry Potter. And stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. So that was my first video. I'm laughing because it was the best I could do for right now, and I just want to hurry up and upload something, so I feel like that's why it feels like it's kind of rushed. But I learned a lot. I'm sure I'll learn more. I'll probably look back on these videos and laugh at just the whole video in general. But here's my first video. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, I'm saying this, and stay tuned and watch this one last clip from my homeboy 26 King Wavy.